Okay now girl, got me tripping.
Hey critters, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see from the title below, I'm going to be doing a makeup look for you guys because you guys have been asking me to do tutorials for the longest, but typically my tutorials don't do as well as like my vlogs and my challenges, so I've just been doing a lot of those. But I'm just going to get back to the basics, you know what I'm saying? Right now it is completely just chaos in my house right now, so I'm going to have to do a voiceover, as you can see. Like that better, let me know in the comments, and then I'll just do my tutorials like that, because to be honest, it's a little bit easier. As always, I always plug my social medias. If you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing, baby? Follow me on Instagram. It's right here, Kashmir Kreates. Add me on Snap if you want to see my crazy stuff every single day. Right here, Kashmir Kreates. Subscribe down below if you're not already, and hit the bell button so you can see every single video that I post, because I post every Monday and Saturday. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing I did, kind of off camera, kind of not, was just moisturize my face with this Aveeno moisturizer. I use it every single day. The second thing I'm going to do to prime my face, I'm just taking this Flawless Face Silicone Primer from Absolute. And then I'm going to mix it with my Bare Minerals primer as well. This one just helps with redness and stuff, and I have a lot of that around my nose. So after going in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation from NYX, I'm going to go in with the No Filter concealer from ColourPop. I'm just going to highlight and conceal all of my blemishes, and then I blended that in off camera. This is the Wet n Wild contour stick. I believe I'm in the color like coconut or something. So yeah, I'm just using that to contour.
Keep my mind off of you. There's no limit to what I do for you, for you, for you. There's no limit for you. There's no limit for you. There's no limit for you. Baby, it's true. Can't keep my mind off of you. There's no limit to what I do for you, for you, for you. There's no limit for you. There's no.
Okay, so then right here I started crying because I realized that I probably wasn't going to have a lot of time to do a glitter look, and I really like glitter, so I started crying, guys, so that's why I was crying in that one shot. I just thought I'd explain so you guys didn't think my parents were like starving me or something.
For you, for you, for you. There's no limit for you. There's no limit for you. There's no limit for you. Baby, it's true. Can't keep my mind off of you. There's no limit to what I do for you.
Okay, so after priming my lids with the same No Filter concealer from ColourPop, I'm going to go into this palette from ColourPop called Mar, and I took that brown color, I believe it's called Boozy, and I'm just going to pack it on top of the lid and then just blend it out with a fluffy brush.
There's no limit for you. There's no limit for you. There's no limit for you.
Okay now girl, got me tripping. I would go to the end of the world, jump right into space without a trace, just so I can see your face.
Now I'm going to go into my palette by Bad Habit called Royals. I'm taking this dark brown color, and I'm just going to use it on the outer V to darken that crease a little bit more. I'm taking my concealer from LA Girl. This is in the color Warm Tan, and I'm going to use that to cut the crease. Back into the Mar palette, I'm taking the shimmery light brown. I'm going to pack that on the lid, and it comes across as gold. I think I also mixed it with a little bit of highlighter off camera.
I can see your face, now that's real. Girl, I mean it, I'm bout it, bout it. Ain't no way around it, round it. Pray to God for love like this. Can't believe I found it, darling. Never met a woman that's quite like you, shining bright like you. You the best times too with me. I can see myself with you, but what can you?
Now I'm going to take the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. This is in the shade medium to dark, and I'm just going to use that to contour and bronze as well. I didn't really want a deep contour, so I just used it to bronze. I'm going into this Master Blush by Maybelline. I'm taking that berry color on a big fluffy blush brush, and I'm going to use that all on the apples of my cheeks, all the way up to my hairline, and a little tiny bit on my nose. These beautiful lashes are from Strip Lashes. As usual, please go follow them on Instagram at StrippedUSA. I'm taking two setting sprays today, the MAC Fix Plus Matte and the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating.
like this. Can't believe I found it, darling. Never met a woman that's quite like you, shining bright like you. You the best times two with me. I can see myself with you, but what can you see? Hopefully me, a king and his queen. What a dream, you're my bae and I'm your green. What a team, now let's get it going like a routine. Ayy, I'ma change your life like a mood ring. Ayy, hold up, wait, let me spit the truth. I know exactly what you be thinking, boo. I ain't just saying this skit to you. I'm trying to let you know what I came to do, and that's you. If you
For highlight, I went into the Makeup Revolution Ignite palette, and I'm taking, for my lips, I'm taking this e.l.f. lip gloss palette. I'm taking the 2 darker shades, and I'm just going to use that for a little natural pop of color on my lip. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, these lashes are from Stripped Lashes. Please, please, please go follow them. They're beautiful and they have new styles out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like down below. Even if you didn't like the video, still leave a like. Comment down below, share this video, see your friends and comment as well. Most importantly, keep creating. Love you all. Bye.